Just a heads up, if you were like me and picked up that women's electric razor that the stripper put us all onto last time, thinking this was going to get you a bald kitty, now the same company just released an upgraded version specifically meant for the bikini area. Now the older model is still going to be good for large areas like your legs or your armpit, but the bikini trimmer was specifically designed to tame your downstairs mix-up. This one is double-ended with a super sharp blade on one end and can be used wet or dry without giving you razor burn. Then once you're done schwacking, you just flip it over and use the other end to leave you buttery soft. It's also super easy to clean. You just pop the guard off the back and then use the brush that comes with it to clean out the hair. This electric razor is so good it keeps selling out, so if you want one, go grab one. It is 50% off right now. Make your kitty happy.